Hello children, welcome back once again. In our previous class, we have discussed about allotropic form of carbon and versatile nature of carbon. Children, we know that already we have discussed in our last class that carbon is having valency of 4. Means the atomic number of carbon is 6 and the electronic configuration is 2 and 4. So we represent the dot structure of carbon by representing the symbol with the 4 dots around it. These 4 dots actually resembles the valence shell electrons. Valence shell electron means in the outer layer. See, if this is an atom, in the first shell there are 2 electrons in the K shell, and in the second shell, in case of carbon, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons are there. These 4 electrons actually are called valence electrons. Valence electrons are represented around the symbol of the element with the dots, that is called dot structure, where carbon combines with the different substances we have studied. Like if I take into consideration this particular ball, this is actually considered to be this carbon, and I am joining into this 4 hydrogen atoms. One I have put here, another one through this way, second one, third one I put, and fourth one I have put. Okay, so consider these 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 valencies in which are satisfied by 1 hydrogen atoms. This way we got the first hydrocarbon. What we have got? We have got the first hydrocarbon. What are hydrocarbons? Now you understood. Hydrocarbon means compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. Okay, carbon combined with the hydrogen. The molecules or the compounds formed by the combination of carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Today we will be discussing about different types of hydrocarbons and their classifications. Okay children, let us continue. As we know, when carbon combines with 4 hydrogen atoms, carbon is shared between 4 hydrogen atoms. This forms our first hydrocarbon, that is methane. What is formed? Methane. And if carbon atom joins to another carbon atom itself, and the other 4 valencies, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this carbon, one is shared between a carbon itself, and other valencies are shared between hydrogen. This is our second hydrocarbon formed. This is called ethane. What it is? Ethane. Okay, now I will show you that. This is the first one what we have discussed, that is methane. This is in which carbon to which 4 other valencies are completed by hydrogen atoms. Now the second case, ethane. This is our ethane molecule. Ethane in which 2 carbon atoms. These black colored balls are our carbon atoms, and these white colored balls are hydrogen atoms. Okay. Now this is our ethane. Now if you add more, that is C, 3 carbon atoms comes, and the other valencies are shared with hydrogen. So this is our third hydrocarbon comes, that is our propane. Okay children, in all these cases we will find that this ends at ANE. Okay, So this is our first type of hydrocarbons. We call them as alkanes. Alkanes are also called saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. Why they are called saturated hydrocarbons? Because there is only a single bond between carbon to carbon. Carbon to carbon, carbon is shared with the single bond only. Children, this means when C1 we have methane, and when it is C2, here this is first carbon, this is second carbon, C2 it is ethane, and when it is C3, here one carbon, two carbon, third carbon, okay, second carbon and third carbon, this is our propane, and C4 we have butane, and when it is C5 it is pentane, and C6 we have hexane, and C7 we have heptane, C8 we have octane, C9 we have nonane, and C10 is decane. So children, what you have to remember here is ANE you have to add along with this word root, that is meth, eth for 2, prop for 3, but for 4, pent for C5, then hex for 6, hept for C7, oct for C8, non for C9, and dec for C10. So this is actually the hierarchy of writing the hydrocarbons of alkanes. Children, remember, alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons formed when carbon combines with the hydrogen atoms. When the first carbon shares with the electrons with hydrogen, it forms our methane. Then second one forms ethane, third forms propane, then 4 carbon atoms forms butane, C5 pentane, C6 hexane, C7 heptane, C8 octane, C9 nonane, and C10 is decane. And C11, C12 are also there. We need to study till 10 only now for the timing. Okay, the rest we will study in our higher classes. Now, as I told you, ANE represented here is for a single bond. Correct? Now, there are also other types of hydrocarbons. Let me explain. Now, children, you listen here. That is, there are 4 valencies for a carbon. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this carbon attaches to another carbon. It is sharing the electron with another carbon singly. This is single bond. Okay, and the rest is actually our shared with the hydrogen atoms. This is what we were talking about as ethane. Correct? Now, this I have explained to you as alkane. These are generally called alkanes. Correct? Now, if carbon shares 2 of its electrons, 2 pair of electrons are shared between, means there are 4 electrons are interlinked. These 2 electrons are of this carbon, and these 2 electrons are of this carbon. Now still there are 2 more electrons remains. This carbon has got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this carbon has got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is shared by hydrogen, suppose. Okay, children. This, when carbon shares or in between carbon atom, if two electrons are shared, we get a double bond, correct? It is forming a double bond. Then we get compounds of alkenes. What do we get? Alkenes. Now children, suppose here, if carbon shares 3 electrons among them and 1 electron with the hydrogen, this forms our triple bond. Children, listen. This is, I told you, as ethane. Here, double bonded carbon, we call it as ethene. What is it? Ethene. Here, what is the difference is, here we have used ANE since it is alkane. Here we are using ENE because it is alkene. So children, can you tell me what will be this one in triple bond? This is our alkynes. Alkynes are the general term which we use. Here, since 2 carbon atoms are there, it is called ethyne. Ethyne, YNE. So ANE is used for a single bond. In case of double bond, we use ENE, and in case of triple bond, we use YNE. Is it clear? Single bonded alkanes we classify under saturated hydrocarbons, and alkenes and alkynes we call them as unsaturated compounds. Okay, children, what are unsaturated compounds? The compounds which are formed by the double bond. Alkene means a double bond and alkyne contains a triple bond. So they are called unsaturated compounds. Let me explain once again. So children, listen here. Hydrocarbons are classified into 2 types: saturated and unsaturated. Okay. In case of saturated, we have single bonded compounds, that is our alkanes are there. Alkane means a single bonded. Okay. And in unsaturated, we have alkenes and alkynes. This ENE is used for a double bond and YNE is used for a triple bond. Understood? Let me write some examples. In case of methane we have seen that methane, hydrogen only involved, so methane we cannot consider much. So in case of ethane, this is our ethane. In ethane, carbon single bond is there. That is our ethane. Ethane is coming under the alkanes which are having a single bond between them. In alkenes case, there are a double bond between carbon, and in alkynes case, there are triple bond. The other bond is satisfied by hydrogen. Okay, here 2 other valencies are satisfied by hydrogen atoms. That is our alkenes, or we call it as, this is our ethene. Children, remember, when it is a single carbon C1, it is a meth, and if it is 2, it is a eth. C3, it is our prop. C4, it is a but, and C5 is pent. As I mentioned, if you add in case of a single bonded compounds AN into it, you will get C1 methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, like that. And if it is a double bonded compound, methane you can avoid because carbon, only single carbon is there, so double bonded compound formation is not possible. So C2 onwards you have to consider. Ethene, then next one, can you tell me? That is okay, propene, then butane, pentene, like that it will go. Okay, and in case of alkynes, first one is our ethyne, YNE. Okay, if 3 carbon atoms are there, then instead of ethine it will become propyne, YNE you have to use. In 4 carbon atoms it becomes butyne, and 5 carbon atoms it will be pentyne. So instead of ANE, ENE will come in case of double bond, and YNE will come in case of triple bond. Clear? I will show you some models. See here, this is the double bond between carbon, and the other two are satisfied by hydrogen atoms. Okay. Now this is our ethyne. Ethyne is a triple bonded, carbon to carbon. Triple bond is there. These 3 valencies are satisfied by triple bond, and 1 valency is actually satisfied by hydrogen atoms. Remember, more than 3 bonds, carbon is not forming. Up to triple bond only it can be formed. You don't think about a for tetra bond and all. It is not possible, even though it is having a tetra valency. Till 3 bonds only it can form. So children, what we have learned today is, today's topic this much only. Hydrocarbons are classified into 2 types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons are called single bonded compounds, that is our alkanes, and double bonded and triple bonded comes in unsaturated. Double bonded are called alkenes, and triple bonded are called alkynes. Okay children, I hope this is understood.